Okay, the distributive property. When we do the distributive property, you have to understand that what we're going to do is multiply the A times the 15. We are also going to multiply the A times C. And a lot of people forget that part. Okay? So what we're trying to figure out is what A is times 15, what that is equal to. That's the first part. Actually, I should do that in red because that's what I started it with. So in red, the A times 15, A times 15, that is going to equal, it's showing me here, it needs to be 60. Okay, and then A times C, A times C needs to equal 44. Okay, I am going to use this information to figure out what A is because I have two numbers. So what times 15 is 60? That is 4. So A equals 4. Because A is equal to 4, 4 times what is equal to 44? And that would be 11. So our answer to this problem is going to be right down here. A is 4 times 15 plus C, which is 11. This right here is the answer because 4 times 15 is 60 and 4 times 11 is 44. So we get the answer of, and right in here it would be 4 and 15 plus 11. All right. Okay, the next problem, distributive property. Again, I'm going to go 3 times 25 and 3 times 32. 3 times 25 plus 3 times 32. 3 times 25 is 75, plus 3 times 32 is 96. It's asking me to write a sum of 96 and another whole number. This is my answer right there, 75 plus 96. Or I could have 96 plus 75. All right, on this problem, again, we're using the distributive property. A times B plus A times 10. And I need it to equal 35 plus 50. I am going to use the fact that A times 10 has to equal 50. So that means it's 5 times 10 is 50. So A is equal to 5. Once I know that A is 5, I know that this is going to be 5 times my B plus 5 times 10. Okay? 5 times B has to equal the 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. So my answer is going to be 5 times B. B has to be 7 plus 5 times 10. And again, as you look at this, A is 5, 7 is B, and the 10 stayed the same. When you type this in, you don't have to show that multiplication there. It is understood to be multiplying right there. Okay? So your answer will be 5 times 7 plus 10 as your answer. All right, here's another problem. 16 times what plus what? And remember, when I do this, I need it to equal 80 plus 32 from right there. So 16 times 5 equals 80, and 16 times 2 is equal to 32. So from that I know this has to be 5, and here is going to be 2. So my answer over here will be 16 times 5 plus 2. All right, here is another problem. A times 3 plus C. What is A? This is 3 plus what is C? And remember, I need to get it to equal 12 plus 20. So what am I going to take times 3 to get 12? That's right, 4. And since this is 4 now, 4 times what? Let's see, what do I want to do here? 4 times what is going to give me 20? Yes, that is 5. So this is 4 times 3 plus 5, because I need it to be 12 and 20. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 5 is 20. So I get the 12 plus 20. So typing it in over here will be 4 and 3 plus 5.